How to get hair dye out of a carpet. In this DIY article I will show you how to get hair dye out of a carpet. Hair dyes make you look young and glowing, however, you have to agree with us when we say that the stains they cause can be quite frustrating. You may take enough care and precaution while applying hair dyes, but you cannot avoid the dyes from falling on your carpet sometimes. It is advisable to treat these hair dye stains as quickly as possible, as they tend to cause stains when they start to dry up. Dried or set-in stains take a lot of effort to remove. However, don't worry, you can get back your carpet stain-free if you follow these methods the right way and with the right degree of patience. Supplies needed to remove hair dye from the carpet. We need to use different methods to get rid of hair dye stains from a carpet based on the nature of the stains. Fresh stains may require one method, whereas dry and stubborn stains may require another method for cleaning. We have listed those methods here, and you can gather the supplies required for those methods accordingly. Clean paper towels or microfiber rags, preferably white, mild dish soap or liquid detergent. White vinegar. Shallow bowl, for mixing. Cool water. Rubbing alcohol. Ammonia. Hydrogen peroxide. Getting rid of fresh hair dye stains off a carpet. Use a white paper towel or a clean, white microfiber cloth to blot the fresh stains immediately. Keep blotting until you absorb as much excess stains as possible. You should only resort to the blotting method as the first step of getting rid of hair dye stains, regardless of the nature of the stains. Never scrub or rub roughly over the stains, as it can cause further damage to the carpet. Make a DIY cleaning solution by adding equal parts of mild dish soap or liquid detergent and white vinegar to almost 2 cups of water. Mix the contents well. Dip a clean white cloth in this solution and dab over the stains on the carpet. Keep dabbing gently, and you will notice the stains coming off from the carpet into the cloth. When the stains start coming off, remember to change the cloth. Using a white cloth will help you check if the stains from the carpet are getting absorbed into the cloth or not. Stop dabbing when no more stains get absorbed on the cloth. Now is the time to clean the carpet thoroughly. Rinse with cold water to get rid of the soapy residues. Blot the damp area with a clean and dry cloth or sponge. Allow the carpet to air dry thoroughly. You can also set a fan near the carpet to facilitate faster drying. Getting rid of dried hair dye stains off a carpet. Make a DIY cleaning solution, as mentioned in the above process. Add equal parts of mild dish soap or liquid detergent and white vinegar to about 2 cups of water. Soak a clean, microfiber cloth in this solution, and squeeze over the dried hair dye stains on the carpet. Let the stains soak in this solution well. If a large part of your carpet has these dried stains, you can pour the solution directly over the carpet. Let the stains soak in this solution for about 30 minutes. However, ensure that you keep dabbing over the stains with a clean cloth every 5 minutes during this time. Keep dabbing gently, and if you notice the area becoming dry within 30 minutes, you can squeeze some more cleaning solution into it. After 30 minutes, rinse the stained areas of the carpet well with cold water to get rid of the soapy residues and the smell of vinegar. You will notice that most of the dried hair dye stains have disappeared from the carpet by now. If all the stains have gone, you can rinse once more and allow the carpet to air dry thoroughly. If you still see some stubborn hair dye stains, you can proceed to the following steps. Dip a clean and white cloth in a bowl containing rubbing alcohol. Dab this over the stains. As you repeat the dabbing process gently, you will notice the stains lifting. Almost 80% of set-in and dried stains can be removed using rubbing alcohol. Rinse the stained areas with cold water to get rid of all traces of the rubbing alcohol, before you let it air dry thoroughly. For harder and more stubborn hair dye stains, you need a stronger agent than rubbing alcohol. Ammonia will help you in this case. Mix equal parts of ammonia and mild dish soap, or liquid detergent, in about 2 cups of warm water. Ammonia can give out some fumes, hence, always prepare this solution in a well-ventilated area. Ensure that you wear gloves and a mask to prevent allergies that ammonia may cause. Test this solution in a small, non-noticeable area of your carpet to see if the solution causes any discoloration or fabric damage to your carpets. If you are satisfied, proceed to the next steps. Dip a clean and white cloth in this ammonia solution, and dab over the stained areas gently. Let the solution remain on the carpet for about 30 minutes. However, keep dabbing on it every 5 minutes or so, until you notice the stains lifting off. Keep checking the fibers on the carpet to see if the ammonia has caused any damage. After 30 minutes, rinse the carpet thoroughly with cold water several times to get rid of the strong smell of ammonia. Use a dry cloth or sponge to absorb the excess liquid from the carpet, before you allow the carpet to air dry thoroughly. Do you still notice some hair dye stains on your carpet? If ammonia can't treat them, the only other solution left to implement is hydrogen peroxide. Please use hydrogen peroxide as a last resort only. Use a cotton swab to spray hydrogen peroxide over the hair dye stains in your carpets. Let the chemical remain on the stains for 24 hours. After a day, rinse the carpet thoroughly with cold water, and you will notice that the stains have gone completely. Rinse as many times as possible to get rid of all the residues of hydrogen peroxide from the carpet. Use a dry sponge or cloth to blot the excess moisture, before you allow the carpet to air dry naturally. Did you enjoy this video? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel.